So welcome to this tech channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can see your battery status or battery health. For that you have to remember it. Okay, remember it, power CFG battery report. Okay, I'm going to copy it here. From it here you have to go now search setting, search here command prompt. You have to search it command prompt, open it. Now let me zoom it for you guys. Okay, simply Ctrl+V or paste it here, and after that you have to press enter option. As you can see this section, okay, copy it here, from it copy it. Okay, now minimize it, go to this PC, now go to this PC. Okay, now double click here, you can see edit address, simply paste it here, and after that enter. So as you can see, this is my battery status. You can see here my battery health is very in bad condition. Okay, full charge capacity, this is very bad condition, I have to replace it. That's all in this video. You can see all the states of your batteries. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe. See you soon in next video.